DJI may have just leaked its biggest mini drone yet. And if this rumor is true, everything changes. Here's why thousands of drone pilots are talking about it. Over the past few weeks, multiple industry insiders have hinted that DJI has already begun internal testing of what appears to be the Mini 6 Pro. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed the drone, several supply chain reports suggest that development is progressing much faster than expected. Historically, DJI follows a predictable cycle of testing, regulatory certification, and eventual product launches. That means every early leak gives us valuable clues about where the company is heading next. Rather than focusing solely on flight performance, DJI appears to be investing heavily in camera technology, artificial intelligence, and computational photography. This would represent the biggest leap for the Mini lineup since obstacle avoidance was first introduced. Of course, until DJI makes an official announcement, all of these specifications should be treated as leaks and rumors rather than confirmed features. Why this launch is different. Every previous Mini drone improved one or two major features. The Mini 3 Pro brought a larger sensor. The Mini 4 Pro introduced omnidirectional obstacle sensing and significantly better active track. But the rumored Mini 6 Pro appears to improve nearly every major component simultaneously. Instead of making the drone simply fly longer or shoot higher resolution video, DJI may be redesigning the entire imaging pipeline. If true, creators could receive improvements in image quality, dynamic range, autofocus speed, night performance, AI-assisted flight, battery efficiency, and transmission reliability, all inside the familiar lightweight body. That's exactly why so many drone enthusiasts are calling this DJI's most ambitious Mini upgrade yet. Stacked CMOS sensor and 6K video. Perhaps the biggest rumor revolves around the camera. Several leaks suggest DJI may adopt a new stacked CMOS sensor instead of the conventional CMOS technology used in previous Mini models. Why is this important? A stacked sensor dramatically increases readout speed, allowing faster autofocus, reduced rolling shutter, cleaner motion, and better low-light image quality. Professional cinema cameras and flagship smartphones have already adopted stacked sensor technology because of these advantages. Combined with DJI's advanced image processing, the Mini 6 Pro could potentially record incredibly detailed footage while preserving highlights and shadows more effectively than previous Mini drones. Even more exciting are rumors pointing toward 6K video recording. While many creators still deliver videos in 4K, recording in 6K provides several major benefits. Editors gain additional flexibility for cropping, digital stabilization becomes cleaner, reframing shots becomes easier. Creators can zoom without sacrificing image quality. Future-proofing content also becomes much more practical. Some reports even speculate improved HDR recording with higher dynamic range, making sunsets, landscapes, forests, and city lights appear much more cinematic. For travel filmmakers, YouTubers, and professional content creators, this could be one of the most meaningful upgrades DJI has ever introduced. Mechanical variable aperture. Another exciting rumor is the addition of a mechanical variable aperture. Until now, Mini drones typically relied on fixed apertures. That meant creators constantly needed ND filters whenever lighting conditions changed. A variable aperture changes everything. Instead of swapping filters every few minutes, pilots could simply adjust the lens opening directly inside the camera settings. This provides greater creative control over shutter speed while maintaining cinematic motion blur. It also makes shooting sunrise, sunset, or changing weather much easier. Professional photographers would also benefit from improved exposure control without relying entirely on ISO adjustments. If DJI actually brings this feature to a drone weighing under 250 grams, it would be a remarkable engineering achievement.
Silicon anode battery and flight time battery technology may also receive one of the biggest upgrades. Rumors suggest DJI could adopt silicon anode battery technology. Unlike traditional lithium batteries, silicon anode cells can store more energy inside the same physical size. That means longer flights without significantly increasing weight. Some insiders believe flight times could approach or even exceed 50 minutes under ideal conditions. Real-world flights would likely remain lower because of wind, temperature, speed, and obstacle avoidance. But even consistent 40-minute flights would represent a huge improvement for aerial creators. Longer battery life also means fewer battery swaps during commercial shoots, more opportunities to capture perfect lighting, and less stress while filming difficult locations. Combined with DJI's efficient flight controllers, this could make the Mini 6 Pro one of the longest-flying lightweight drones ever produced. Predictive AI tracking and night sensing. Artificial intelligence appears to be another major focus. DJI's Active Track system has already become one of the best autonomous tracking technologies available. But the Mini 6 Pro may introduce predictive AI tracking. Instead of simply following a moving subject, the drone could anticipate future movement using machine learning algorithms. Imagine tracking runners through forests, mountain bikers around corners, vehicles disappearing behind buildings, or athletes moving unpredictably across open fields. Rather than immediately losing the subject, the drone could intelligently predict where they're heading and maintain smoother tracking. Night performance may also improve significantly. Rumored upgraded obstacle sensors combined with improved low-light cameras could allow safer evening flights and much cleaner nighttime footage. While regulations still require pilots to fly responsibly and maintain visual line of sight, better night sensing could dramatically improve confidence during low-light operations. The US government/FCC dilemma. Unfortunately, there's another side to this story. Even if DJI finishes development, availability may depend on regulatory approvals. The company continues facing increased scrutiny in the United States, including certification challenges and broader government concerns surrounding Chinese technology products. Those issues have already affected the rollout of some recent DJI hardware in the US market. If certification delays continue, international markets could receive the Mini 6 Pro before American customers. That doesn't necessarily mean the drone won't arrive in the United States. It simply means launch timing may differ depending on government approvals. For creators outside the US, this may have little impact. For American buyers, however, availability could become one of the biggest questions surrounding the Mini 6 Pro launch. Price and release window predictions. So, when could we actually see the Mini 6 Pro? Looking at DJI's previous launch cycles, many industry watchers expect an announcement sometime within the next product generation, if development continues as rumored. However, DJI has not officially confirmed a release date. Pricing will largely depend on how many premium features actually make it into the final product. If DJI includes a stacked sensor, 6K recording, variable aperture, improved AI, and longer battery life, a starting price around $999 to $1,199 for the standard package would not be surprising. Fly More combo packages could climb closer to $1,300 to $1,500 depending on accessories. Although these estimates remain speculative, many creators would likely consider the price reasonable if the Mini 6 Pro truly delivers flagship-level imaging while remaining under the 250-gram category. Final thoughts. If these leaks prove accurate, the DJI Mini 6 Pro could become much more than just another yearly drone refresh. It has the potential to combine professional camera technology, intelligent AI flight, dramatically improved battery performance, advanced obstacle sensing, and premium imaging features into the smallest professional drone DJI has ever built. Of course, it's important to remember that none of these specifications have been officially confirmed by DJI yet. Product details can change before launch, and some rumored features may never reach the final production model. Still, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. DJI appears determined to push the Mini series further than ever before. And if the company succeeds, the Mini 6 Pro could become